I'm sure that we all see the trend of how to reveal your drawing on a creative way. But now you are asking, how do I need to do that with my own art? Well, in this video I will show you how you can do this too. So let's get started. What you need is your drawing on one layer and your sketch. Now we need to go to Actions, Add, and then press Add Text. Go to the keyboard option and then choose Show Emoji. Go then to Objects and choose then the magnifying emoji. Scale it to your liking and then go to the layer, tap on it and choose then the rasterize option. Take now your eraser and erase the glass from that emoji. Create a new layer under the emoji layer and create a white circle underneath. Drag your drawing between the white circle and the emoji layer. Tap on your drawing layer and choose the option Clipping Mask. And now you only need to select the white circle layer and the emoji layer and move it to reveal your art. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Like, comment and share this video to support this channel. Subscribe also, and then I hope I see you by my next video. Thanks for watching.